Yeah. Hi, this is Kyler at FlexArm. Today we have a solution to show you where we are counterbalancing RAD's torque gun. So for this application, we made a custom arm and a custom mount to counterbalance up to 60 pounds. So this tool that we have in here right now, it itself doesn't weigh 60 pounds, but with extension drives, reaction flanges, since this tool produces about 5,000 foot-pounds of torque, you know, there's a lot of weight involved, and so we want that free floating ergonomic movement. So for the arm, we have a 360-degree pivot at the base with a friction lock to hold the arm in place and keep it from swinging when it's not in use. We have another 360-degree pivot with another friction lock, and then if we move down to the custom mount, we have a vertical pivot that helps you align, you know, to any surface you're trying to get to. We have this extension arm that can actually be rotated depending on how you want your setup to either be on the right side of the user, so then you have a horizontal pivot for the tool, as well as the gimbal clamp that we use that allows the tool to rotate through its drive axis. This arm is a pneumatic arm, so we use air cylinders to provide the counterbalance force. This precision regulator lets you fine-tune the feel of the arm depending on how much weight you have at the end. So if we switch out the tool model for a lighter or heavier tool, it's very simple to turn this knob and adjust that counterbalance force. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want more information, visit our website at flexmachinetools.com or give us a call at 1-800-837-2503. Thanks.